Hi, my name is Callie Stroud, and today I'm going to be exploring the Pixton. The Pixton is an online website that can be used to create comics as well as storyboards. The Pixton app is available for educators as well as students. When looking at the Pixton app, you will simply type in pixton.com in your address bar. From there, you are able to take a tour on the first screen you see. The first step in creating Pixton is to build your avatar. This is a fun, interactive way to get the students to create themselves with different outfits, different hairstyles, expressions, etc. Once you are finished creating your avatar, you are able to hop right into creating your own comics. If you do not know what your comic should look like, or you need an idea, you can simply browse the online comics and storybooks that are available. This is a neat way to do so because you are able to click what grade level you want, as well as which subject you are targeting. Here, once again, you have access to hundreds and hundreds of different comics and storyboards that have already been created. To create your own, you simply click Create Now. From here, you are able to create your own storyboard or comic. I can select the different background I want. I can select which characters I want. I can select their outfits, their color, their hair. I can also put focal points in my picture. I can choose words that I want the character to say, such as hi, and insert those words. And as you can see, now I have a storyboard or comic of a woman saying hi. I can change her facial expressions, and I can also change the actions that she is doing. For example, I've changed her to now waving. When I'm finished, I simply click Done, and I'm able to name my comic. I could name this Becky, for example. Once I'm finished, it is simply done. I can download it or I can print it. I can share it as well. She then saves into my comics. Another comic that I've created is this one named Joe. If you started one and you need to save it, you simply save it, and now I can edit it and change it, and you can continue to change them until you're completely finished. You are able to add as many panels as you would like into your storyboard, so it works to create one full picture. Now, when I look at the educator side of things, I'm able to create an avatar as well, and then I'm able to create classrooms. For example, I've created a classroom, English second period, for example. I can view this classroom, and students will be able to link their accounts to here, and I will be able to see the students as well as their comics, and we can create a class photo once everyone has joined. The educator view, you are also able to find lesson ideas, comic schools, which you are able to learn and teach about comics and how to make them, and you're able to explore the graphics that are available. Pixton is available 7 days for free. After that, there is a monthly subscription that you can get as well as a yearly subscription. Your school and district can also get a quote through the Pixton website as well if more classes are using this around your school. So many benefits to the Pixton app, including unlimited classroom as the teacher. You can create as many classrooms as you need as the teacher. You are also able to easily access the students' accounts because they will be linked to your account. The students are also able to easily access their accounts because you can link them to their Google Classroom. That way, it is just a simple click on their computer. I can also, as the educator, track what they have done, and I can set protection for different ages so that they are only accessing appropriate content for their grade level. I am also able to access millions and hundreds of online examples that are already created. Pixton can be used in the classroom for better comprehension. For example, in 3rd grade, one of the objectives is that students are able to synthesize information into creating new understanding. By using the Pixton app, students can create different storyboards and comics that will better their comprehension. For example, they can change the ending of the story that they have just read by using the Pixton app. They can also have a different way that the problem is being solved. For example, you can create a comic that includes pictures from the book that you just read, but you can create different endings. Once you have done that, the students can share with their classmates as well as the class. This Pixton website is a great tool to have in your classroom and can be used to better the comprehension and to engage the students in learning.